ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So 4F series elements, lanthanide start with cerium and ends with lutetium. Ends with lutetium. And 5F series element starts with thorium and ends with lawrencium. So each series consists of 14 elements. Each series consists of 14 elements. So 4F series elements are called lanthanides. It starts with cerium, atomic number is 58, and ends with lutetium, atomic number is 71. Total 14 elements includes in lanthanides. Next, actinides. 5F series elements are called actinides. It is started with thorium, its atomic number is 90, and ends with lawrencium, its atomic number is 103. 103. So 4F series elements are called lanthanides and 5F series elements are called actinides. So S block elements. So these two are the S block elements, first and 2. So S block elements are arranged right side, left side of the periodic table. P block elements are arranged right side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged between S and P block. A block elements are arranged bottom of the periodic table. Bottom of the periodic table. So D block elements are also called transition elements. Transition elements. D block elements are also called transition elements. It transfers the character from S block to P block elements. That's why these elements are called transition elements. Transition elements. So 13 to 18 groups. This is P block elements. P block elements. So A block elements are arranged bottom of the periodic table. These A block elements are also called inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. So this is the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. Modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table. So next coming to the groups. The vertical columns in modern periodic table are called groups. So 1 to 3 to 1 to 2 is the S block elements, 3 to 12 is the D block elements, 13 to 18 is the P block elements. So modern periodic table consists of 18 vertical columns are called groups and 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows are called periods. Are called periods. Are called periods. So next coming to the, so this is S block, this is P block, this is D block, and this is A block elements are inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. So next coming to the, for example, This is first period, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh periods. So periodic table consists of total 7 periods and 18 groups. 18 groups. So first group or first period. So alkali metals. Alkali metals start with lithium. So hydrogen is the unique place in the modern periodic table. So alkali metals started with lithium and ends with francium. Ends with francium. So alkaline earth metals started with beryllium and ends with radium. Similarly, 13th group element started with boron and ends with nihonium. 14th group carbon to flerovium. 15th group nitrogen to moscovium. Oxygen to livermorium. Fluorine to tennessine. Next, helium to oganesson. Helium to oganesson. Next, coming to the electronic configuration of these elements. Electronic configuration of these black elements. So group number next name of the element family, name of the element family, name of the element family, name of the element family. Next, elements from 2 to elements from 2 to elements from 2 to. Next, valence cell electronic configuration, valence cell electronic configuration, valence cell electronic configuration. Next, valency. Next one is valency. So group number, name of the element family, elements from 2 to. Next, valency. Valency. For example, group number is 1. Group number is 1. Group number is 1 means it is alkali metals, S block elements. First group and second group, these two are belongs to S block elements. So group number 1, it is name of the element family. It is name is alkali metals. Alkali metals. So all are metals. That's why it is called alkali metals. From 2 to. So lithium to francium. Lithium to francium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So elements from 2 to lithium to francium. So valency cell electronic configuration is NS1. Valency cell electronic configuration is NS1. Electronic configuration is valency cell electronic configuration is NS1. Next, valence electrons. Valence electrons. Valence electrons. So how many valence electrons is there? Only 1. Next, valency is 1. Valency is 1. Next, coming to the group 2, alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. So alkaline earth metals starts with beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So from 2 to 2. So from beryllium to radium. So its outermost valency cell electronic configuration is NS2. So valency electrons 2, its valency is 2. Valency means 2. Next, coming to the 13th one, P block elements. It is boron family. So in the 13th group, first element is boron. So it is boron family. Boron family. So boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium and nihonium. So boron to nihonium, NH. So it is started with boron and ends with nihonium. So valence cell electronic configuration is NS2, NP1. So number of valency electrons is 3. Next valency is 3. 2 plus 1. So valency electrons is 3. So valency is 3. So next coming to the 14th group. It is carbon family. Carbon family. So carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Finally flerovium, Fl. So it is ends with flerovium. So its valency cell outermost electronic configuration is NS2, NP2. So number of valency electrons is 4 and valency is 4. Valency is 4. Next coming to the 15th group elements, nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. It is also called Pnictogens. Pnictogens are nitrogen family. Pnictogens are nitrogen family. So nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and finally MC. It ends with moscovium. So its outermost electronic configuration is NS2, NP3. So number of valency electrons is 5. Number of valency electrons is 5 and its valency is 3. Valency is 3. The combining capacity of elements with number of hydrogens generally we call it valency. So valency is 3. Regarding nitrogen family are 15th group elements. So next coming to the 16th group elements, oxygen family. Oxygen family. These oxygen family also called chalcogens, ore forming elements. That's why these 16th group elements is also called chalcogens or ore forming elements. So it is started with oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium and livermorium, LV, and it is ends with livermorium. Its electronic configuration is NS2, NP4. So number of valency electrons is 6. So its valency is 2. Valency is 2. So next 17th group elements, it is halogens. Halogen family. Halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine. So these elements are belongs to halogens. So halogen family. So halogen family started with fluorine and ends with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and finally TS, tennessine, and its outermost valency cell electronic configuration is NS2, NP5. So number of valency electrons is 7 and its valency is 1. Valency is 1. Next coming to the 18th group elements, it is noble gases. Noble gases are inert gases. Noble gases are inert gas. Noble gases are inert gases. It is started with helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and finally it is ends with oganesson, oganesson. So its outermost electronic configuration is NS2, NP6. So number of valency electrons is 8 and its valency is 0. Valency is 0. Why? Because noble gases follows octet configuration in valency cell. So that's why these elements do not combine with another elements. That's why its valency is 0. Its valency is 0. Valency is 0. So this is the total groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Name of the elemental family, elements from 2 to valency cell electronic configuration, valency electron and finally its valency. Finally its valency. So next coming to the periods. So modern periodic table consists of totally 7 periods. So this is the modern periodic table or long form of periodic table, consists of totally 7 groups, 7 periods and 18 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 groups present in modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. So first period consists of only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. So first period consists of only 2 elements. So it is the shortest period in the modern periodic table. hydrogen and helium, only 2 elements present in first period. So second period consists of total 8 elements, lithium to neon. So third period consists of 8 elements, sodium to argon. So this is fourth period, fifth period, sixth period and seventh period. So fourth period consists of potassium to krypton, fifth period rubidium to xenon, sixth one is cesium to radon, seventh one is francium to oganesson. Francium to oganesson. Francium to oganesson. So next coming to the periods. Next coming to the periods in modern periodic table. Periods in modern periodic table.
Hello students, myself is Sanjay Kumar Singh and I did my BE from Birla Institute of Technology, Misra, and I am having 18 years experience of teaching. Now I am associated with KVC classes. Now here the advantage which you people are going to get, that there is a technical pool of faculty, mostly from IITs. So this is one of the biggest enabler for achieving your success. The second best thing is that doubt classes and all, they are conducted in the presence of faculties. So third is that your entire curriculum, timing of teachings, all is being monitored by IITians and NITians. So come here and join us.
So next periods. Periods in modern periodic table. So 7 vertical columns present in modern periodic table, that is generally we call it periods. So 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows are called periods. Are called periods. 7 horizontal rows from left to right, top to bottom, that is called groups. So modern periodic table consists of total 18 groups from left to right, that is called periods. So 7 horizontal rows are called periods. Are called periods. So modern periodic table consists of total 7 periods. So period number 1 consists of only 2 elements. Period 1. Period 1 consists of only 2 elements. Only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Only 2 elements. So it is the shortest period in modern periodic table. Only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Next, period 2 consists of 8 elements. Period 2 consists of 8 elements. Period 2 consists of 8 elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Total 8 elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So second period consists of 8 elements from lithium to neon. Lithium to neon. Total 8 elements. Next, third period also consists of 8 elements. So period number 3. It is also consists of 8 elements. It is also consists of 8 elements. 8 elements. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon. Next, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Next, argon. Chlorine and argon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So third period is also consists of total 8 elements. 8 elements. So next coming to the period number 4. Period number 4 consists of total. Period number 4 consists of total 18 elements. Period number 4 consists of total 18 elements. 18 elements from potassium to krypton. Potassium to krypton. potassium to krypton. So potassium is the alkali metal, krypton is the noble gas or inert gas. Potassium to krypton, total 18 elements. 18 elements. So potassium to krypton. Potassium to krypton. Now this is the fourth period. This is the fourth period. Potassium to krypton. So this is the first period, consists of only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. So second period consists of total 8 elements, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Second period. Third period is also consists of 3 elements, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Fourth period consists of 18 elements from potassium to krypton. Potassium to krypton, total 18 elements, including D block elements also. So potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine and krypton. Total 18 elements present in fourth period. Fourth period. So fifth period is also consists of 18 elements from rubidium to xenon. Rubidium to xenon. So next coming to the fifth period. So coming to the period number 5. Period number 5. It is also consists of 18 elements. It is also consists of 18 elements. 18 elements from rubidium to xenon. Rubidium to xenon. Next coming to the period number 6. Period number 6. So period number 6. Period number consists of 32 elements. Period number 6 consists of 32 elements. 32 elements from francium to francium to oganesson, Fr, francium to Oz, cesium to radon. So period number 6 consists of 32 elements from cesium to radon. Cesium to radon. Rn means radon. Next period number 7 also consists of 32 elements. Period number 7 is also consists of 32 elements. Also consists of 32 elements. So potassium, rubidium, cesium. Next element is francium to Oz, oganesson. 32 elements. Francium to oganesson. Francium to oganesson. So these are the periods are in modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. So 7 horizontal rows are called periods. So first period consists of only 2 elements. That's why it is called shortest period in long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table. In long form of periodic table. So this is the some periods. Next, period number 8. So no elements are 8th period has yet to be synthesized. No elements of the 8th period has yet been synthesized. Yet been synthesized. Yet been synthesized. So next coming to the, this is the total view of long form of periodic table or modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. So next coming to the metals and non-metals.